Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to create a Naira symbol. All right. So in case you're joining us for the first time, this is ethical here, and I'll run you through this process. All right. So first thing first, you need to ensure just open Microsoft Word and type in your letter N. All right. So after typing letter N, just you need to highlight it or select it like this. So after highlighting, there are two ways to get this done. I think most people, what they do is if they want to create a Naira symbol. Let's go back to home. So what they will do is they come to this strike through. All right, they create something like this. Actually, this is not a Naira symbol. It looks like a Naira symbol, but then this is not, a Naira symbol. While some, what they do is they will just bring in the hash symbol. Hash symbol is different from Naira symbol, or Naira symbol is actually different from the hash symbol. So how do we do this? How can we achieve this? Okay, so let me go back to home and click on this strike through. Okay, so first thing is for you to type your capital letter N, just like what you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can just right click on this. When you right click on your N, go to font. Okay, you're going to see font here. When you click on font, now after clicking on font, you're going to see under effect. Okay, under this effect, you're going to see we have different types of effects here. The first one is strike through, and the second one is double strike through. Okay, and this is what we are interested in. All right, so I'm going to check this box that says double strike through. Okay, after clicking on this, then I'll just click on OK, and boom, we've created our Naira symbol. So this is how easy it is to create a Naira symbol. All right, so